Got 15% to work with. If this was me, I would do 10% for me, 5% for the other person, right? Pretty much what I'm saying is, if you hit me up, I'm gonna make a card and I'm gonna make the code so I can track it. It's gonna be your code. Only thing you gotta do is hand these cards out. All right, let's talk about money real quick. Hold on, let me set this up real quick. First and foremost, man, I appreciate you guys watching. We got the door lights as always. I know you can't really see them. It's still bright outside. You can see that one a little bit. If you got a Chrysler 300, this video is definitely for you. 100%. We got other stuff too. Got the blue lights. I'm always gonna show the door lights in the video, so you might as well just forget about thinking about things gonna change and all that. Let me get my cup of coffee. I don't know why people don't like talking about money. I think I've done all the side hustles, man. We talking about all the side hustles. I've done them all. I think I've done them all, man. I think I'll go through them real quick. The pros and cons. Amazon, you gotta have money to put up because you gotta buy a product and then you gotta be able to sell it. eBay, you gotta find a product to sell, or you gotta be able to like bring people into it because there's so many different crazy products. They don't have an algorithm to like push you to the top unless you're paying for ads, and you don't want to constantly do that. What else? Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is dope, but you got to understand that world, and you have to have an audience or email list to be able to bring people to a particular product. What else? Real estate wholesale. You got to find deals. You got to be a super hustler, and you got to be able to know your area. You got to know different zones. You have to know what deal is a good deal. You have to know you got to do a lot of research. It's a lot of research, but you can make a lot of money from it quick. What else is there? What have I done? YouTube, you got to make a whole bunch of videos. You can't, unless you just popular from another platform or you just popular in general, you got to have like a catalog of videos before you can get monetized and get paid from it. So that takes some time to build up. It's so many different ways to make money. It's so many, and I love talking about it, because I want to buy things, car mods and all that stuff or whatever. But it's like people don't like really discussing all this stuff, man. I don't know why, but this is something that I look up all the time, read books on it, all that, And I know primarily I try to make videos about the car, but like I like making videos about money. So I'm gonna just tell you guys, man, the easiest way to make money, side hustles, if you want to buy car mods, because I had a post today on my Instagram, like outside of your 9 to 5, or if you have a 9 to 5, outside of that, what's the best way to pay for car mods, and I respond, I posted that on my story, and I'm just looking at responses or whatever, and a lot of people hit me up like, man, make a video on this, man, please tell me, I need some help. Some people like, man, I'm watching it, and they can't really see the responses unless I post them. And this was just for me to, like, I was gonna make a video anyway, but I was like, man, this is a way for me really to be able to, like, instead of me just telling you what I do, I could tell you about different things that other people do, because there's so many different ways to do it. And I'm gonna make another video, like, with all the responses. I'm getting so many responses now. You probably heard my phone just now, but it's so much. Oh, okay, that's text message. That's somebody else. But there's so many different things, and I think a lot of people just like don't know. There's so many different avenues out there. So just to keep it honest, man, just to keep it easy, if you don't know about any of all that stuff, you don't have the money to put up, you don't have the time, you don't have the audience, you don't have the understanding of how to flip things, it's a lot to go into, like, starting stuff and really getting to the next level. Anybody can buy something from, retail arbitrage. You can go to the store, Walmart and Dollar Store, you can go Target, wherever. Online, they have online arbitrage. And basically, if you buy something for $5, but you see it selling for $10 on Amazon, you can get that cut. Only thing is, Amazon got all these fees, you got to pay to ship it to Amazon, and you got to pay to utilize Amazon's platform, which is worth it if you can find something with like a good enough profit margin, or if you're going to go for volume and, instead of just buying one thing here and there, if you buy one thing here and there, you got to find something that has a great value. You got to buy it for $10 to be able to sell it for $100 if you only got one of them. But if you're selling something where you got a pallet, 100 of whatever, you can find something for $5 and sell it for $20, And you know, the profit isn't as much as the first example, but you get to the point where you're selling so many where it don't matter, you know. And the cool thing about Amazon, if you do it through Amazon, is they're bringing you the audience. Like, you don't have to, like, you can still like pay for PPC and ads and all that shit, but it's not really necessary if you find the right product, right? But that's still a process. You still gotta have the money to go out and go buy the shit. You still gotta have the understand. You still gotta know Amazon and know what's gonna sell, because you can also buy something and you think it's a good deal, but if 1,000 people are already selling it, why would they pick yours? Or you can also get in a situation where, say if we all want to sell this cell phone, right? It's a good deal. Other people see this as a good deal. Eventually, you selling it for $100, somebody gonna come in and try to sell it for 90. And you're not gonna get any sales. They're gonna get all the sales. And then you go, oh damn, I gotta sell it for 85. And then they go, oh, I gotta sell it for 80, then 75. It's a rush to the bottom. So it's a lot of things you gotta worry about if you're doing it that way. You know, but me just keeping it honest with you, man, I'm gonna have another video, all the other videos and all that stuff too. Make sure it's still recording. But honestly, man, I wanted to be able to make like a little side hustle for the people who like watch my videos, support and all that. And I figured out a way, you know. And I honestly think this is probably the best way to make a little side change if you got a 300 or if you got a little audience of people who have a Chrysler 300. Every one of my videos now, though, you gotta do 25 push-ups to get in, man. You gotta like the video. You gotta do 3 things. You either gotta like, subscribe, or do 25 push-ups. You gotta do 2 of the 3. So if you already subscribed, I appreciate you 100%. But you gotta like the video and you gotta do those 25 push-ups. You can do 5, 5, 5, 10. You can do 10, 10, 5. You can do 25 all at once. You can do 50. So today, I'm gonna post a video every day. So you can do, you know, 25 is for today, 25 is tomorrow, all in one shot. You can do it every other day. But anyway, we gotta get healthy. We gotta get healthy, because if we out here just going to grinding, staying up late, doing research, watching YouTube, trying to figure out things, trying to code, trying to, you know, make the little hustle, man, we got to be able to be healthy as well, you know. So that's another thing I'm gonna try to implement, man. I want to be able to not just give you guys regular, you know, I don't even know if it's entertainment, man, because I don't be doing jokes and doing all the weird stuff. Just me just chilling at the house in the garage, just talking. But I want you guys to be healthy too. If you watch the videos or you support, you know, or if I supported you, whatever, I want us to be healthy, you know. So 25 push-ups is a good way to start. You know, 25 this week, and then next week, because I'm gonna post 5 videos this week. Next week we're gonna go to 35, 45, whatever you guys put down below. But yeah, that's what we gotta do. But anyway, what I made is these door lights. If you got a Chrysler 300, I got 15%, right? I got 15% that I can play around with. So hold on real quick. I'm gonna turn this off real quick. All right, I forgot where I was at, man, honestly. But first thing, man, you gotta get in the mindset that everything works. You know, if you know what you're doing, if you know how to like put things in the right position and just have the consistency and like perseverance to like grind it out and understand things and get to the next level, man, everything works. It just depends on how you want it to work, you know? Like I said, Amazon, I'll go over them real quick. Amazon, real quick, I already know I went through the cons or whatever. I didn't say anything positive about them, but Amazon, the cool thing is you can do it wherever you want and you don't have to like hold the inventory if you do private label. eBay, the cool thing is like you can do anything. You can sell anything on eBay, and if it sells, it sells. Affiliate marketing is the easiest thing to do, man. And I'm just gonna stop there. And that's what, I think that's what we're gonna do. I made these cards, right? 300 cards. I don't know, is it backwards on your video? I don't know. But anyway, the cards, regular card, whoops. But on the back side, it has a QR code, right? All the people do, like say, I give you this card. Only thing you have to do is scan it on the back on your phone, go to the website, you make a purchase, and I'll be able to track who made the purchase. I'll be able to track where the purchase came from. And like I said earlier, man, I got 15%, right? So this is the way it's gonna work. And it's the easiest because you guys don't even have to do any type of inventory management. Comment down below, man, if you ever had like any interactions with me, man, if it was positive or negative, whatever interactions, man, tell me about it down below. And if it's any negative interactions or situations that I didn't resolve, man, comment down below. You know, I already know it's a whole bunch of good stuff, man. But if it's anything negative about me not resolving shit or not handling or not something happened crazy and you hit me up and I didn't fix it or whatever, man, comment down below. All the positive stuff, man, I already know. Most of the time, man, when people leave reviews, man, it's like the negative people. It's so easy to leave a negative review because you just mad. If everything works out, if you buy something and it's dope and it's what you expected it. So you're not even gonna leave a review. So I already know the negative. And also, man, 10 people can tell you something positive. But as soon as that one person tell you something negative, you remember that more than the last 10 people who told you something good. You know, I already know how it is. But if you ever had any negative interactions with me, I don't think anybody has, comment down below. And of course, we're gonna work it out, but I just want people to see that it is no weird shadiness going on, right? Or going around. But anyway, man, like I said, we got 15% to work with. If this was me, I would do 10% for me, 5% for the other person, right? Pretty much what I'm saying is, if you hit me up, I'm gonna make a card and I'm gonna make the code so I can track it. It's gonna be your code. Only thing you gotta do is hand these cards out. Like, here, you know, you like these door lights, you like this, you know, the decals, you like this keychain, whatever it is. You give them this card because you already rock the product, you already have something dope that, you know, came from my site. And if they make a purchase using your card, you get to choose. You can choose if you keep 5% and they get 10% off, you can keep 10%, they can get 5% off, they can get 3% off, you can get 12%, whatever. We got 15% to work with. And if they make a purchase, I'm gonna give you a kickback, whatever you decide, man. Usually it's like 10%, like you keep 10, you give them 5 off, but however you wanna do it, man. I'm leaving that up to y'all for right now. The first like 10 people who sign up, and it's free. I'm gonna send you like 10 cards, 10 cards or whatever. It's gonna have your special code on it. And all you gotta do is give them out. Somebody like the door lights that you got, I'll also give you a link. So if you wanna just put it on your social media, whatever it is, they make a purchase, they click on your link, they go directly to my site, it won't be anything different. If they make a purchase, you get a percentage. I'm gonna PayPal you or Cash App you whenever they make a purchase, you know, and we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna set it up and make it like a real affiliate program later on with the website and all that, but I just wanna try out something, man, give something back. Cause I know like so many people hit me up about little hustles. It's like, man, I could tell you guys about 50 different hustles, man. It's just what you want to do. Everything works, you know, but I think this is the easiest, especially if you don't have like an audience, you know, all the or money. Like a lot of the other ones, man, you got to have something to come and bring to the table. With this one, I'm bringing everything to the table. I'm bringing the products. You don't got to buy nothing. I'm bringing you bringing the audience, or you bringing like the people that you know, or you're bringing you're referring, you know, instead of somebody just looking at the door lights and be like, oh man, those are dark, where you get them from? And you give them the website, you're gonna have a card to give them. You give them the card, they scan on the back, and that's it. Like they make a purchase, I'm giving you a cut. I'm hitting you up, giving you a cut. And it's immediately, you know, or within like 48 hours, you know, once they make the purchase and all that go through or whatever, I'm just gonna Cash App you, man. I think that's dope, you know. I don't know anybody else like in this field, this genre that we all in or whatever, what we like to watch, because I be watching the same shit y'all do, man. All the YouTube, I'm not gonna say any names, but all the YouTubers, man, you guys watch, and all the videos and all that, man, I watch the same shit. You know, I try not to too much now because like it's time to hustle and trying to get to the next level. And it's hard to like do that when you watch somebody else's life. But like growing up over the years, I was watching all this stuff, man, like cable, all that, and like Power, that's it. And then outside of that, YouTube. Hold on, man, let me show you. I got my garage open a little bit. So it's like it was a little, I don't know, it was a little noise. But anyway, man, I know this is a long video. I said it was gonna be a short video, but I just be trying to give out information, man. And I know it's not me driving fast. I know it's not me doing donuts, burnouts, and all that shit or whatever, but it's just something, you know? But anyway, man, Instagram, you guys already know, Mr. 300 on YouTube. Oh, also, if you guys comment down below, your side hustle or a side hustle that I haven't spoke of, I'm gonna make you a decal. I know you can't see it now, but I'm gonna make you a decal. You know, if you want Instagram, if you want Facebook, if you want YouTube, I'm gonna make the icon, the logo, and then it's gonna be your name. All you gotta do is comment down below, like a hustle that, comment down below a hustle I haven't spoke of, you know, and I got you. You know, I like giving away stuff for free, man. That's another thing, man. That's a lot of the reason why I be in these situations, man, because it's like I want to make videos and all that, but every video, I want to give stuff away for free, you know, not just give entertainment or give knowledge and all that. I want to give you guys something physically for free, you know, so this is the way for me to do it. This is the way for me also to give you guys a little side hustle. If you got a little audience, obviously it helps me out because we getting sales, but you also get a little kickback too, and you don't gotta do shit. All you gotta do is post a link, give a card out, all that, and you good to go, man. And I think that's it, man. I think that's it, man. I know I'm always making videos in the car, but like I said, man, we grinding. We trying to get to the next level, man. I'm trying to have Lambos. I'm trying to have 5 300s in the garage, you know? I'm trying to have all that, you know? So we got to get to the next level, man. I want to bring everybody with us. I don't want to just, you guys keep seeing me like do different things. Like, damn, how he did that? Damn, why he do that? How you do that? He didn't tell us about it. Nah, man, we all going together. We all getting to the next level together. We all grinding, learning, getting to the next level. The car shit is dope. The car shit is cool, man, but I think it's better to be able to buy your family a house, pay for your family, retire your people, put your people on, all that, you know? So that's what I'm on right now. But anyway, man, I appreciate you guys, man. Hit me up. Oh, you can email me at, if you guys want one of these cars, man, if you want me to set it up for you, you can DM me on Insta. You can comment down below. I'm going to get in contact with you. You can DM me on Instagram at, it'll be in the link in the description down below, but it's Mr. 300 on YouTube. That's my name. You can also email me. I'll put that down below too. admin@meanteam.xyz. admin@meanteam.xyz. And a lot of people ask me, what's Mean Team? Like, you think it's like just a regular name or whatever. It's not, you know. The M is for Mopar. E is for exotic. Oh, A is for and then N is for noisy. So it's Mopar, exotic, and noisy. So we all cars. You know, we got the Mopars, we got the Dodge Chargers, we got the Challengers, we got the 300s, we got the Trackhawks, we got all those. That's Mopar. Exotics, we're gonna get to the Lambos, we're gonna get to the Bentleys, all that. And noisy. I like all loud cars. It don't matter what it is. I like it. Anytime I do something drive by, a Mustang, RX-7, anything, man. I'm trying to look at it and see what it is, you know, so I like that too. So Mopar, exotic, and noisy, that's Mean Team. Anyway, man, I appreciate you guys, man. Comment down below, hit me up, and let's get this going, man.